Hi, Leo. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good. And you?
I'm good too. Today, I want to learn English.
Nice. What do you want to practice today?
I want to learn how to describe my home in English.
Great topic. Let's talk about your home. So, Sarah, where do you live?
I live in a small house.
A small house. That sounds cozy.
Yes, it is simple, quiet, and warm.
Nice. How many rooms does your house have?
My house has 5 rooms.
5 rooms? What are the rooms?
I have a living room, a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and 1 bathroom.
Good. That's a clear description. Tell me about your living room.
My living room is big.
Big. Great. What is inside the living room?
I have a sofa, a coffee table, a TV, and a lamp.
Is the sofa comfortable?
Yes, it is soft and very comfortable.
What color is it?
It is gray.
Do you spend a lot of time in your living room?
Yes, I relax there. I watch TV in the evening.
Now tell me about your kitchen.
My kitchen is small but clean.
What things do you have in your kitchen?
I have a fridge, a stove, a sink, and a small table.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I cook breakfast and dinner every day.
What is your favorite thing about your kitchen?
I like the window. I can see the garden from the window.
Oh, that's nice. A kitchen with a view. How many bedrooms do you have?
I have 2 bedrooms.
Whose rooms are they?
1 room is mine, and 1 room is for guests.
Great. Describe your bedroom.
My bedroom is simple. I have a bed, a closet, and a desk.
What color is your room?
It is light blue.
That sounds peaceful. Do you like your room?
Yes, I love my room. It is quiet.
And your bathroom?
My bathroom is small.
What is in the bathroom?
A shower, a toilet, a sink, and a mirror.
Do you keep it organized?
Yes, I clean it every day.
Good habit. Now, what is your favorite place in your home?
My favorite place is the living room
Why?
because I can relax there. I sit on the sofa and read books.
Sounds cozy. So, Sarah, tell me again, how many rooms do you have?
I have 5 rooms.
Good. And what is your favorite room?
My favorite room is the living room.
Great job. You can now describe your home.
Now let's talk about the style of your home.
Okay.
What style is your home? Simple, modern, or traditional?
My home is simple.
What colors do you use?
I use white, gray, and light blue.
Nice! Those colors are calm and clean. Let's talk about the furniture in your home.
Sure.
What kind of furniture do you like?
I like wooden furniture.
Me too. It looks warm.
Do you have many decorations?
Not many. I like simple things.
Minimal style. Nice.
You said you have a garden.
Yes, I have a small garden behind my house.
What is in your garden?
Flowers, small trees, and some herbs.
Do you take care of the garden every day?
Yes, I water the plants in the morning.
That's good. Gardens make a home fresh.
Yes, I agree.
What do you do at home every day?
I cook, clean, read, and relax.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes. I work on my laptop in my bedroom.
And at night?
At night, I watch TV or listen to music.
That sounds peaceful. Where is your home located?
My home is near a small park.
Is it quiet?
Yes, the area is quiet and safe.
Good. Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, my neighbors are friendly.
If you could change one thing about your home, what would you change? I want a bigger kitchen.
Why?
Because I like cooking, and I need more space.
Good reason. Anything else?
Maybe a bigger bedroom, too.
Everyone wants a bigger bedroom. Now, Leo, can you describe your home?
Sure. I live in an apartment.
How many rooms?
4 rooms. A living room, a kitchen, 1 bedroom, and a bathroom.
Describe your living room.
My living room is bright. It has a big window.
Do you like it?
Yes, I get a lot of sunlight.
So your home is smaller than mine.
Yes, but I like it.
I like my home too.
Big or small, a home should feel warm.
True. Okay, Sarah. Let's practice.
Okay.
Tell me 3 things in your living room.
A sofa, a coffee table, and a TV.
Good. Now tell me 2 things in your kitchen.
A fridge and a stove.
Perfect.
This is easy now.
Yes, you can describe your home very well.
Thank you, Leo. Today I learned many new things.
You did great.
Now I can talk about my home in English.
Yes, good job. Keep practicing every day.
I will.
See you next time.
Let's practice with more details. Can you describe the floor in your home?
Yes. The floor in my living room is wooden.
Nice. And in the kitchen?
The kitchen floor is white tile.
Good. How about your bedroom floor?
My bedroom floor is also wooden. I like the warm color.
Many people like wooden floors. They look natural. Do you have many windows in your home?
Yes, I have 3 big windows in my living room.
Wow, that makes the room bright.
Yes, in the morning, the sunlight comes in.
And your bedroom?
I have 1 window. It is small, but nice.
Do you open your windows often?
Yes, I open them every morning for fresh air.
Is your home tidy?
Yes, I try to keep it tidy every day.
How often do you clean your home?
I clean a little every day.
And deep clean?
Once a week, I vacuum, wash the floor, and clean the windows.
Good habit. A clean home feels good.
Yes, it makes me feel calm.
What makes your home feel comfortable?
Soft lights, a warm blanket, and clean space.
Sounds very cozy.
I also have some plants.
Plants make a home feel alive.
Yes, they make the air fresh, too.
So, Sarah, today you described your rooms, your furniture, your garden, your windows, and your cleaning routine.
Yes, I learned many new words.
You did very well.
Thank you, Leo. I will practice more at home.
Great. Keep going.
See you next time.
Bye.